Hey Glam Fam! I hope you guys are well and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to have a play with some products from the Balm Cosmetics. They messaged me a couple of weeks ago just saying that they had sent me a package, and it was really out of the blue and unexpected, and I was like, really? Me? You sent me a package? But they weren't lying, and the package arrived. Look at the cute little makeup bag that it arrived in. It's so cute. So one of my favorite things about the Balm Cosmetics is their packaging. It's just beautiful, it's colorful, it's just really creative and fun. So I really like that about the Balm Cosmetics. So yeah, I'll show you what I got. So I got the Meet Matchmaker. It's supposed to be Matchmaker, I think. I don't know. Matchmaker palette, which looks like this. Sort of more, I guess, neutral colors. And then we got In the Balm of Your Hand, Volume 1. So we got some cream lipstick and eyeshadow. Cream lipstick. Oh, they're both cream lipsticks here, but you can use as a blush. And then some eyeshadows, some blushes, the Bahama Mama bronzer, and then the MaryLou-Manizer highlighter. Then we got 3 eyeliner pencils. So these guys here. So I got Bill, which is a dark brown. Dean, which is a black, and this one, Seymour Love Letters. So it's like a bronzy color, and hang on, there's one missing. And then I also got the nude eyeliner, which is called Walk of Shame, but I don't know what I've done with that. I think it's in my makeup kit already. 2 more products. MaryLou-Manizer, which is a really beautiful golden highlighter. It says you can use it as an eyeshadow. So for me it's too gold, but I did try it out as an eyeshadow the other day and it looked really pretty. So that is awesome. And the Scuba, is that what it's called? Yeah. Scuba Water Resistant Mascara. So I thought I will use some of these products today and create a look. I feel like doing something a little bit dramatic. Not too sure what's gonna happen, but yeah, I guess you have clicked on this video and you will have seen the thumbnail, so you know kind of what this look is gonna look like. Right now, I don't know. Yeah, so thank you so much to the Balm for sending me this package. And yeah, as I said, it was totally out of the blue, so this isn't sponsored. I'm not getting paid for this or anything like that. Yeah, I think that was really nice of them, so I really appreciate it, and I'm excited to play with my new goodies. Let's get started. I've already prepped my skin with my Mario Badescu Glycolic Acid Toner and my Smitten Cosmetics Rejuvenating Serum. So that's all prepped and ready to go, but I am going to put some Lanolips 101 ointment on my lips because I get the driest lips ever. First of all, let's prime our lids, most important. I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer in, it's the anti-aging one. Apparently if you use it all the time, it actually helps with tightening up the skin on your lid area. So I'm down with that. It's a very light, sort of gel-like consistency. It doesn't have much colour. So I prefer colour, but you know, I'm actually enjoying this base and it does last a long time, so yeah, it's good. I think I'm going to try the coloured one next, Eden, and see how that goes. Alright, so I'm going to go into Matchmaker first and take Matte Lemos, which is just a nude matte shade. So just using that to add a bit of a base, and I'm using my Morphe E35 brush. Alright, so that's just added a little bit of coverage to my lids as well, since the primer doesn't do that. I think I'm going to go into Matte Stupak, this sort of tan, camel brown colour. And I'm taking it from my outer corner through to my inner corner, so the whole way through this socket area. And if you're not sure where to place your socket colour, just look straight ahead into your mirror. So everyone naturally has a fold, or fold of skin or a crease with your eyes open. So that's where you want to put the colour, right there, just above your natural fold. So you can see it's come above my natural fold. And by doing that, you know that you'll see the colour with your eyes open. And then you can tilt your head back and blend, so you have more, you can actually see more of your lid area. It tightens up the skin, or just whatever works for you. For me, I like doing that. I have actually not used the Balm shadows before. I've used them once before since I got this package, and I was really surprised at how well pigmented they are. So very surprised and happy. Love it when I get a good pigmented eyeshadow. I'm going to go into Matte Snyder and using a smaller that looks weird, a smaller Real Techniques brush, and let's apply this in my socket. So now I'm keeping this a little bit lower, and this is going to create depth to our eyes. So the first colour you can bring a little bit onto the lid and a little bit higher, but the darker you go, the more you want to keep it right in this socket. If you push in, you'll feel it's like in between your brow bone and the ball of your eye. Now I'm thinking I might create a little bit of a halo effect. So let's my voice just went so weird then. Let's apply some of this darker colour just a little bit here on my inner corner and on my outer. If you want to build a colour up, just use a tapping motion, and you can see how it just really intensifies the colour. Oh yeah, Matte Schneider. Going back in with my E35 and now just blending. I just went back in with a little bit of that first colour, Matte Stupak, just to help with blending. I'm going to go in with an even darker colour. So now I'm taking Matte Wong, which is a very dark brown, using that same Real Techniques brush. And this I'm going to be a little bit more precise with, so I'm just going to literally tap this right in the socket area. And right there. And in here. Now this one I want to keep a little bit less blended looking, so I'm going to run the brush through it a little bit, but I don't want to blend it out too much, because otherwise you start getting just a mucky look, because the browns just all blend into each other and just look dirty. So just very lightly feathering this one. Let's add something on the lid. To intensify the lid colour, I'm going to go in with this white base from NYX Cosmetics and apply that in the centre of my lid. Just going to tap that in with my fingers. Going to try Alex Stupak first, and then maybe go in with a little bit of Pat Lemos over the top. Ooh, this is nice. Oh wow, that's really pigmented. Alright, I'm gonna try a little bit. Oh, you know what? Let's go a little bit. Let's try this Kate colour. Kate Chevron. I want to see what that looks like. I like that actually. It's not so bronzy. Let's blend the edges. So I'm going to go in with Dean. These pencils, the Mr. Write Now eyeliner pencils, are so creamy, guys. They're amazing. So let's use this as a base. Gently smudge it out. Tight line with it as well. You know what? I think I might do an Australis Metallix, like glittery sort of cream shadow instead. I'm going to try this one. Let me just... This is Guns and Rose Petals. Actually, it's better applied with your fingers. Let's curl my eyelashes and apply the Scuba Water Resistant Mascara. It's got a nice thin wand. I like that. Okay. So today I'm going to be trying out some new lashes from Hava Beauty Co. These are in the style Carmen. Let's just plop it on so I can get an idea. Whoa. Okay, these are going to be dramatic. I'm going to go off camera and apply them just for time's sake, and then I'll come back and we can do the rest of the face. Alright. Well, for lashes this dramatic, they actually are so comfortable. They're so light. They're like the Danny Mansuti lashes that I love because they're light. So to prime my skin, I'm going to be using the TooFaced Hangover Primer Spray. And for something a little bit different, I thought I'd use an actual primer today. I'm going to use the Australis Color Clique primer, and this is in the bronzing shade, the Goddess, so this is for a nice bronze glow. Let's buff that in. Now, sticking with the Australis theme, I'm going to be using the Australis Liquid Elixir Foundation. Oh, I forgot, I was going to use a colour corrector under my eyes. Let's do that now before I do a second layer. I'm using the Australis Clique colour corrector in Peach. Thought I'd give it a go, especially because I'm looking a little tired. Oh, it's a bit thick. So with colour correctors, you want to keep that just on the area that you're wanting to colour correct. You don't blend them all the way down your face like you do a normal concealer. Going in with more of that foundation. Just want to dump some here. Need more coverage around here. I'm going to go in with a touch of the Australis Fresh and Flawless powder in light beige. I just want a little bit more coverage just on my cheeks and my nose, so that's what I'm using this for. Yeah, it's definitely a bit more light. We'll keep this just in the center of my face. In my waterline, I'm going to use that bronze pencil, Seymour Love Letters. So what I'm going to do is a bit of a halo underneath. So I'm going to keep the center free and put the darker colors on either side. Alright, so going in with a matte Snyder. The second darkest brown. still leaving a little bit free here for the inner corner highlight, because that's important. Going in with Matte Stew Pack. Alright, then I'm just going to use a little bit of the Cat Chevron, Chevron? Gosh, I don't even know. Let's place that here. Ooh. Using my finger to apply a little bit more of the Australis Guns and Rose Petals. So for my inner corner highlight, I just added a little bit of Amy Whitehouse in my inner corner. So now I'm going to go into the Volume 2 palette and use the cheek products. Using Bahama Mama, let's bronze up my face. I think for blush, I'm going to use Hot Mama. And for highlighter, I'm going to use the beautiful MaryLou-Manizer. I forgot that it was broken and I've just dropped it all over myself. Oopsie. I have a highlighted crotch. Just sort of try and blend it around a bit on the tip of my nose. And my Cupid's bow. Also putting it on my brow bone. Let's add some mascara on my lower lashes. Let's balance out this lash line. Let's try the cheek and lip cream from this palette using my fingers. I guess if you want something really natural, but let's amp it up. Okay, I'm going to use NYX Liquid Suede in Soft Spoken. Should I take my hair down? Is that going to look good or not? Well, there you go, guys. This is the finished look. Using my new goodies from the Balm Cosmetics and a few other drugstore brand products. But I'm enjoying this look actually. And these lashes, like, they're so intense, but they're so light. It's actually confusing. And once again, just thank you so much to the Balm Cosmetics for sending me these beautiful products. I had a lot of fun playing with them and I'll definitely be doing a lot more looks, so keep an eye out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. That's it from me today. I hope you guys have a beautiful week and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.